Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to this video. Cody Gertz here. I'm excited to shoot this video for you. I've started with CLICKBANK about 3 to 4 weeks ago, and I'm consistently making $100 every single month. And those sales are continuously increasing, and I'm not really putting in that much effort for it. But as you can see right here off to the left, 153 so far this month. It's only the 9th. Last month was my first month with CLICKBANK, and I made $100 last month. And as you can see, this is me. My name is Cody Gertz. This is my account. I'll actually refresh the page so you guys know this is live. It just refreshed. And there you have it. Go to my affiliate tab right here. And $150, $153 so far this month, and $100 last month. Okay, so guys, how? It's very simple. Okay, a lot of people make a lot more money with CLICKBANK. I'm not saying that I'm an expert or I'm a guru, and in fact, I've only been online for about 2 years now. And I've learned a lot in those 2 years, and really the first year and a half, year and 4 months or so, I was opportunity hopping. I was going from company to company to company and just looking for the system that was the secret. You know, you guys look for the system that's you know, what's the biggest traffic secret, or what's your secret strategy. Guys, there is no secret strategy. There is no secret product. Okay, now there are products that convert better than others, but here's a few things that you need to keep in mind. Okay, you need to see if you believe in the leadership of the company. So who runs the company? Do you agree with their vision? What's their plans for the company? Number 2, how long is the company going to be around? Company and or product. And number 3, is it scalable? Okay, can you take this company and actually build a business with it? Okay, so are these $150 sales going to turn into $1,000 sales, $2,000, you know, $10,000 even? And I believe that this will, using this particular product. And if you guys want access to this product, I'll actually put it in the description below this video, okay? So there's a few things that you guys need to know on how to make $100 consistently on CLICKBANK, okay? Make sure that you relate with the ownership, the leadership of the company or the product. Make sure you understand their vision. And number 2, make sure it's going to be around for a long time. Okay, this product that I'm promoting, it's going to be his legacy project, okay? So that means he's going to be working on this forever, okay, until he is no longer around. All right, so make sure it's going to be around for a long time. And number 3, is it scalable? Okay, this particular product actually has 10 income streams involved inside of it. So that's pretty cool, guys. And I know that these $100 sales per month is going to turn into $1,000, $2,000, $10,000 sales. I have no doubt in my mind. Okay. So if you guys would like access to this CLICKBANK product, just simply click the video below, and you'll be taken to a page that has all of the info from it. Okay? So thank you guys for watching this video, and get started with CLICKBANK right away. See you guys later.